Well, students, now question number 88. Question number 88, what actually is talking about? Higher yield of NO in the given reaction. The given reaction is, so N2 plus O2 gives 2NO gas. This is also gas and okay. Can be obtained. So when? At what conditions? So the given reaction. So here key concept involved in this case is, so Le Chatelier principle, chemical equilibrium, chemical equilibrium, and Le Chatelier principle. Le Chatelier principle. What Le Chatelier principle is talking about? Le Chatelier principle is talking about the, so here the given equation is completely del H value the given as positive value. If del H value is positive, then the reaction is endothermic reaction. In case of endothermic reaction, we have only two options will be there to make the reaction forward direction. They're asking the higher yield of NO means NO is on the where on the product side only, right? So if it is on the product side, that means reaction has to go forward direction, right? Now, so first temperature factor on Le Chatelier principle. Temperature factor on Le Chatelier principle. Now, so we'll see now. First, you can take here first. If it is endothermic reaction, if it is endothermic reaction, if it is endothermic reaction, enthalpy will be positive only, no? Positive, right? In this case, in this case, to make the reaction forward direction, to make the reaction forward direction, to make the reaction forward direction, forward direction. So two conditions required. Two conditions required. one will be one will be increase in the increase the concentration of increase the concentration of reactant and decrease the concentration of products. Decrease the concentration of products. Concentration of products. So these two ways we can able to make the reaction forward direction. Second condition what we have in terms of temperature. So endothermic, that means what happen heat required. That means temperature should be increases. So high temperature, high temperature and low pressure. High temperature, low pressure makes reaction forward direction. Now, these two conditions we check it in this given option, whether it's there or now. Let me give one more exothermic case also. The question is framing from the exothermic, how to solve that question. Suppose second one, if the reaction is exothermic, if the reaction is exothermic, in that case, how to apply? Here, del H value will be negative. Del H value will be negative. Okay. Now here, for most condition is temperature not required. That means lower temperature and high pressure. High pressure. Low temperature and high pressure will be favorable. High pressure. Or makes the reaction forward direction. Forward direction. So now in the given question, we required only the reaction to has to go forward direction. The reaction want to go forward direction, we have what we have, high temperature we required and low temperature, low pressure required. Along with that, we also should increase the concentration of reactant, decrease the concentration of products. Right? That is having first statement, high temperature required. Second one, what happened? N2 is the reactant, right? So we also have to increase the concentration of reactant, that is N2, as well as O2 also. So what will happen now? We are getting the A is the correct statement, C is the correct statement, D is the correct statement. So we have A, C, D. A, C, D will make the reaction forward direction. That means to get the higher yield of the product. Okay. So option given option is 4.